Hi everyone. We've been developing this software for around 4 months now, and basically what it does is it easily compiles and creates highly optimized Kindle publications and also submits your publication to your Kindle account. And we make it really simple. In fact, there's actually nothing like this on the internet right now, and that seems to be one of the biggest hurdles that Kindle publishers are trying to overcome, is basically getting the formatting of their book to look nice on a Kindle device. In fact, there's people that will spend days and hours and days on trying to get their publication perfect, but as soon as they put it on the Kindle network and see it in a Kindle device, it doesn't look good at all. Well, we've solved that problem by creating this amazing software tool that does pretty much everything for you in terms of creating your book so it's optimized for those devices. And not only that, we made it really simple for you to upload it to your account. Now, before I show you the software, let me just show you a couple of screenshots of just how much money that you can make with the Kindle network with. And you can see here, he's made over $5,000, and I think this is just in a single week. I'll show you another screenshot really quickly here of another $6,000 he's made. In fact, he's actually done over $30,000 in only 7 days on just one single publication. The Kindle network is basically, it's not saturated at all. It's wide open and anyone can take advantage of that network. Now here's a look at the software. You can see that there's 4 different tabs. In the My Books section, this is where you create your books. In this tab, this is where you set the book details for when you upload it to your Kindle account. And the submit area is simply where you submit the book to your Kindle account. And it's pretty simple. All you got to do is select the book you want to submit, click the start button, and it will do everything for you. That's it. And then we do have a stats section where you can actually see the sales stats from all of your publications in one spot. So it's really handy. Let me show you just how crazy powerful this software is. So let's just go ahead and select this sample book I was working on here and click edit. And you can see this first window here. This is how you create your book. What you do is you simply set the title of your book, the author, location where you want to save it. If you want to include a copyright page, it automatically does that for you, and you just put your company name here. I'm just using a pen name here. And then if you look down below, you have all your chapters. And all you need to do is click Add Chapter, and it will bring up the chapter editor. For example, if I select this and I edit the chapter, it looks like a built-in word processor, very similar to Microsoft Word. In fact, it's a lot easier because you don't have to deal with formatting. It does it all for you. All you have to do now is just enter your content like it's supposed to be. You know, it's supposed to be really simple to publish your works on Kindle, right? Well, it isn't. It's really difficult. Well, this software does make it easy. So now all you have to do is just concentrate on your content, get your images in here. You do all sorts of stuff you do in normal WordPressing programs in here. You know, you can make external links, you can add images, you can change fonts, you can insert bookmarks, you can change the header, footer, you do symbols, all sorts of stuff in here. And so after you're done with your chapters, you click OK, and your chapters will be all here. And what's awesome is the software will automatically create the table of contents for you, so you don't have to fumble around with all the formatting and getting the pages to link right and all that kind of stuff. It does it all for you. In addition, we've also provided another tab up here, which is our marketing tab. And this is very important, and this is where you actually start making really good money from your publications. What we do here, we make it very simple for you to add links at the beginning of your book or at the end of your book for a call to action. In other words, you can put CPA offers here, affiliate products, all sorts of stuff, even links to other products related to your actual publication. For example, this particular book was to do with yoga, which is fitness and meditation. So just coming up with some ideas: 5 foods you should never eat, how to get rid of wrinkles in one treatment, the Yoga Bible. I actually found this product inside of the Amazon network, and I put my affiliate link in here. So there's a lot of different ways you can monetize. Now these are just call to action affiliate links you can put in here. You can actually put links to any website. It doesn't have to be an affiliate link. And on this side over here, this is where you can actually harness the power of having your own publication network. A lot of Kindle authors, what they do is they create a series of books and they link them all together, and that creates a mini network. And that's how you start getting like thousands of downloads and a lot of attention to your links, and basically you start making more money. And so just to give you an example, I could have a series of books for this yoga fitness. For example, yoga fitness for seniors, for women over 40, for weight loss, relieving stress, for the advanced. So all this stuff is automatically inserted into your publication for you, and you don't have to mess around with any of the formatting. And once you're done with all your chapters, you can quickly just preview the book by clicking this link right here, and it brings up the editor. But now you can see the entire book and all the edits that we just did, and you can see the power of what was implemented into the software. Let me just show you here real quickly. So you can see it creates a title page for you. It creates that copywriting page for you. It enters in those call to action. This is actually the book series links right here. And then it makes a table of contents for you. If you scroll all the way down to the end here, we're going to see the call to action links as well as the series and the next book in the actual volume series. So all this stuff is automatically put into your book for you and automatically formatted for you. So it's very powerful. So once you've actually completed creating your book in the My Book section, come over to the Book Info section here, and what you want to do is add your book details. And it's actually very simple. All you need to do is click the Add button and fill in all your information here. All you have to do is just follow the instructions. We even have these little help bubbles that come up here. I'm not sure if you'll see it come up in the video here, but you just simply read along and fill in all the information. In fact, I've already recorded a quick video that goes through and explains each and every one of these fields in great detail so you can fully understand it. And once you've done it once, after that, it's totally easy to get your publications in there really, really quickly. And finally, the only thing left to do here is just simply select the books that you want to submit in the Submit tab section and click the Start button, and it will automatically submit the books to the Kindle network. In fact, you can actually have multiple books in here. Say you wrote like 10 or 20 books, you can just select the ones you want to submit and submit them all at the same time, and you can have all these publications in the Kindle network that quickly. And after you get a couple of publications up, you can go to the stats section and you can see all of your sales stats within the software.